goal in life is to live long enough to see myself become a high-functioning alcoholic, or maybe something less ironic. Easier said than done. Spinning walls and no track of time. I'm mopping up my tolerance to headaches and grime. Woke up in the evening, I'm felt in my prime. Walk into my next dream, feels like a climb. Oh no, I've gone and done it again. Lying to myself, saying it's just now and then. Gonna catch my breath, I'll be back in a few. I've lost it real fast and I'm alone with you. There's still a key in my bedroom. Definitely no space for two. So what you doing in a place like this? See, I've been in a bad mood for the past couple of weeks, and I'm trying to find a solution in between shot glasses after 2 AM.